Broody Brooklyn Beckham is dreaming of cooking up some kids, but only after he becomes a master baker. The 23-year-old, who tied the knot with actress Nicola Peltz yesterday at her family's £76 million beachside estate in Miami, recently launched his own Cookin' with Brooklyn shows on social media. 3. Brooklyn Beckham wants to make it big as a chef before having kids with new wife Nicola PeltzCredit, Getty. 3. Brooklyn asked Nicola to be his wife in 2019 after 2 years of dating credit, Getty. Brooklyn has revealed he now wants to make it big as a chef during an episode with American YouTuber David Dobrik. But first, the novice cook gets pastry tuition from experienced chef Nancy Silverton. He tells the camera, "I'm not much of a baker. It always comes across as so much fun, like you can do it with your kids. That's why I want to learn to become a great baker before I have kids." His cooking videos have featured him creating dishes for his new wife Nicola, and has confessed that she is a picky eater. But he has been slammed for butchering an 800-pound wheel of cheese to make a single pasta dish. The son of footballer David Beckham and fashion designer Victoria Beckham then split a huge Grana Padano cheese. After preparing his homemade pasta and broccolini, Brooklyn placed the dish into the cheese wheel before serving it on a plate. As Nicola waited for her meal, she said, "I have no idea what Brooklyn cooked for me, he just told me to meet him here and am really excited to see what he's made." She later gushed, "That looks amazing, it's really good," before leaning in for a kiss. However, one person on Instagram commented, "What a waste of cheese." Brooklyn and Nicola wed this weekend on the sprawling Florida estate of her billionaire dad Nelson. The festivities began on Friday with a rehearsal dinner featuring celeb guests including Gordon Ramsay, Eva Longoria, and Serena Williams. Other celebrity guests included Spice Girls Melanie Brown, 46, Melanie Chisholm, 48, supermodel Gisele Bündchen, 41, former footballer Phil Neville, 45, and Brooklyn's godfather Dave Gardner, 44. The couple began dating in October 2019 and Brooklyn proposed with a £350,000 diamond ring in July 2020. 3. Nicola and Brooklyn said "I do" yesterday at the lavish ceremony. Credit not known, clear with picture desk. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.